the faith versus COVID debate reignites, all eyes will be on the Supreme Court because it hears the matter of the annual covered procession that's been given a go-ahead by the Uttar Pradesh government amid a threat of a third COVID wave. The apex court has taken suo motu cognizance of the matter and has issued notices to the Yogi Adityanath government as well as the centre. The Supreme Court so far, while hearing this matter, termed the UP government's decision of allowing the yatra as disturbing. It's not just the Supreme Court. The Indian Medical Association has made its stand very clear that at no condition can any state allow such a mass religious gathering. Uttar Pradesh, on its part, has maintained that all COVID-appropriate measures have been put in place. Remember that BJP-ruled Uttarakhand has already banned the yatra this year. Delhi and Haryana are yet to decide officially on the covered yatra. So it's clear now that in the last few days, the covered yatra has become the biggest flashpoint as far as the faith versus COVID debate goes. The Supreme Court, taking suo motu cognizance, issued a notice to the Yogi government and called its decision to allow the yatra disturbing.
Two states, the same ruling party, but two different stands. Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand have taken diametrically opposite views on allowing the Kanwad Yatra, a traditional Hindu pilgrimage that sees thousands of devotees trek hundreds of kilometers to Haridwar. If the Uttarakhand government has banned the yatra fearing a third COVID wave, the Uttar Pradesh government, which faces election next year, is allowing it.
हमने जो है सभी की जान माल की सुरक्षा को प्राथमिकता पर लेते हुए पहले ही जो है कांवड़ यात्रा को इस बार हमने नहीं किया है, तो हमारे लिए सबसे पहले लोगों की जान माल की रक्षा है।
कांवड़ यात्रा में तो आप जाएंगे, मंदिर में जल चढ़ाएंगे, तुरंत निकल आएंगे। वहाँ किसी को वहाँ रहना नहीं है, न किसी को हम लोग गैदरिंग करने रहेंगे, कोई भीड़ भाड़ के वो नहीं करने देंगे, उनको आएंगे और तुरंत निकल जाएंगे। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वहाँ दिनों दिन बैठेंगे जिसकी वजह से भीड़ हो जाएगा, ये हम लोग सुनिश्चित करेंगे।
Taking suo motu cognizance, the Supreme Court has termed Uttar Pradesh's decision to allow Kanwad Yatra disturbing. It has ordered the Yogi Adityanath government to give a reply within the next 24 hours. The Adityanath government says it will adhere to the court's decision if there were to be any ruling.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट तो अगर हमसे बोलेगी कि आपको नहीं चलाना, तो उस पर हम लोग विचार करके फिर अपना मुख्यमंत्री के साथ वार्ता करके फिर उसको आदेश करेंगे उसी हिसाब से। सुप्रीम कोर्ट का तो बात मानना ही है।
Medical experts have no two views on the issue. They want the yatra banned.
It is our duty to caution the government and appeal to the government that at this moment any mass gathering at any pretext is going to be a disastrous effect for our country.
Two other states, Haryana and Delhi, are yet to decide on Kanwad Yatra and are offering no clear answers.
मुझे लगता है इस वक्त जो भी कोरोना को रोकने के लिए बहुत बड़ी महामारी है, कोरोना को रोकने के लिए जो भी कदम उठाने की ज़रूरत है, सभी सरकारों को और लोगों को मिलकर वो कदम उठाने चाहिए।
The annual Kanwad Yatra involves Shiva devotees called Kanwadiyas travelling by foot to fetch Ganga water from Haridwar or Gangotri in Uttarakhand. They later anoint the water at the local Shiva temples as a gesture of thanksgiving. As per official records, in 2019, the last time the yatra was organized, nearly 3.5 crore Kanwadiyas had visited Haridwar, while over 2 to 3 crore people had visited pilgrimage spots in western UP. Within